Today we are bringing for you a program that you can excavate your country, excavate your village to the people you love most, like the way we love you. You know we hate poverty, and most of our individuals in our communities live below poverty line. What do I mean when I say live below poverty line? These are the individuals that live or depend on $1 and below per day. Imagine your family, or imagine that family in your neighborhood that only can afford less than $1 per day. That means they are living below poverty line. But according to the survey, it is said that 690 million people live on less than $2 per day. But here we are, we have brought you a very beautiful program. It's a very beautiful grant that can be accessed wherever you are, especially in African countries and other countries that we are going to see right now today. Please don't switch off. Don't watch till the end. You're going to know that you can receive grant, you can receive money from rich people, from people not only rich, but the people that have a heart of giving. Others will say rich people, but they can be rich and they don't give. But there are these people that have a heart of giving, like Bill Gates and the co and other friends. So we are going to see this program, which has beneficiaries all over the world. And it started a long time, but most of us, we didn't know about it. Which program is this? But before that, are you a friend to Immaculate Show, or you a member of Immaculate Show? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. Where are you watching us from? Have you been a subscriber? If you're a visitor, we love you so much. Thanks for coming by. And if you have been with us as a viewer and a royal subscriber, we love you. You're at our heart. We are there because you are there. Thank you. You make us every day and every night. Now let's go in and see which program is this, or which app. What do we talk about it? What is this website? And when did it start? How can you access this? Me and you, we can be beneficiaries. If you know you are living under the poverty line. Let's see now. This program is called GiveDirectly. GiveDirectly is a program that was started long time ago, and it has beneficiaries all over around 30 countries, whereby we find Bahamas, we find Uganda, we find Bangladesh, DRC, that is the Democratic Republic of Congo, we find Kenya, we find Liberia, Yemen, Morocco, Zambia, Rwanda, Togo, there is Turkey, there is Uganda, and there is also United States of America. You guys, this one is so grateful. It is entitled Send Money to People Who Need It Most. When you open this website, if you have an Android phone or you have an iPhone, you go to your favorite browser, you type there GiveDirectly. The moment you put GiveDirectly, a page will come. It will be like this one, whereby it will show you there is giving once and giving monthly. It means it is specified for some kind of people who say, let us hold a hand of someone who is supposed to choose to live under the poverty line. Most of our individuals in our communities are living very poor. Some of them cannot afford money. Some of them cannot afford a meal, cannot afford the basic needs and other things. So this program, or this website, if you go there, as you've seen the first interface it will bring for you like this, you are going to know that you're in the right place. If you know you're living under the poverty line. But I'm very sure that as you're watching me and another person, you are not living under the poverty line, but you might be having people who are living under the poverty line within your locality. Why am I bringing this? I know it is legit and very confirmed that it has been helping very many millions of people around the world. We have witnesses that will be coming in a video as we go on, who have received funds and who are still receiving funds on installments. So these ones, I trust it. Why it is legit? Because it has very good trusted researchers, trusted viewers and partners. We talk about like Princeton University, it is very good. We are talking about Charity Watch. We are talking about Charity Navigator. We are talking about the life of you and the life of you can be saved. We are talking about Google.org. You said is from America and can support people from America also. We have IKEA Foundation, and we have Global Innovation Fund. With these ones are very trusted. That's why I'm telling you, please trust in this program, and if you can apply for it. So what is their tagline? Their tagline, why they believe that giving cash is a life-changing, respective of whatever you have. Giving cash, you can give as low as $2, as low as $1, and we have other people who are giving on basic needs, others are giving on relief needs, and very many things. I know you're going to ask yourself, really, Christine, are they only giving money just for the sake of giving for basic needs? No, they have different programs like poverty relief. This is whereby they have a certain kind of people. If you go to their form right now and their page, you'll find that some people are giving towards the poverty relief, others are giving towards basic income. Like their basic income, it goes for $40. There are others, then for relief it goes $100. Then there's for others that goes for $500. Then we have emergency relief. We have climate survival. Then there's refugees. There is also beneficiaries in the whole of the world, or in the. With this, I've said before this, how do you access this? For you to access this fund or this grant, you are going to go to your browser, as I told you, put GiveDirectly.com. The moment you put GiveDirectly.com, it will bring you an interface like this. What you do, leave this one on top and go down. Don't mind about the trusted funders. Go directly down. When you go directly down at the end of their interface, you're going to find there a lot of writings. You'll find donate, poverty relief, you find very many things. Only you go to contact us. When it brings for you a form, fill it. After filling it, it will again take you to another phase whereby it will say, describe what you want. To describe your scenario, you're going to describe the situation that you're going in. The situation will determine where exactly, which program will you be pressed. If it is for poverty relief, they press you there. If it is for basic income, they will put you there. If it is for refuge or climate survival, they will put you there. So that's how you access it. Everybody is eligible, but it's them, or it's these people are eligible and this one is not eligible. So if you don't become eligible today, try again later and try again later. You will be eligible. So the next thing I know you're going to ask me that if I put, how will I get my money? How will you get your money? This one is given directly to your mobile phone numbers. When I talk mobile phone numbers, I mean mobile money numbers. Like the people who have received their money in East Africa and West Africa, they have received it in installments, but through Safaricom, through mobile money, and it always comes in installments. If the budget for you was $1,000, they will give you $500 or $400 until it is finished. That's how it goes. Now I'm going to bring for you some of the witnesses that really touched my heart, and I felt I'll tell you about them, who have already benefited from this program or from this grant. We have a Eunice who installed water and accessed the $796 from Kenya. She says she installed water. She used to really use her hands and legs, walking and getting water from very far. By the time she landed on this project and on this grant, and they gave her $796, she used it to install a tank, and of which this tank has helped her with also her community. She no longer runs up and down to look for water. It has also helped her in generating income. How? She charges $0.08 per jerrycan from people around to come and access the water. So this is so good. She's from Kenya, not very far from my country, but she's giving as a witness. Then there is also Sangili and Gara. Sangili and Gara recovered from an ailment at a cost of $354. They were malnourished. They are from Yemen. You can see them. For them, they had no good food. They had no good medication. But from the time they got this relief, they started recovering, and up to now they are accessing good medical health care, and at the same time they access food. Then there's Kalimba from Malawi. Kalimba from Malawi got $575 from this grant. He says he used to burn charcoal as his source of income. His hands had already turned and they were cut and they were very hard. But when he received this 575, he decided to start agricultural activities. These agricultural activities have made him, he has bought plantations, and he has also started making income like any other person. Then we have Mabel and William, who built a home at $919. They were given whereby the world was feeling small. For bedroom, they used to stay with their 4 kids, and life looked to be very hard. I can go on and give you very many. You can see from this side, from the way we are scoring, we cannot finish the witnesses. There is Safa also from Turkey, who stays in Turkey but is a refuge from Syria. She says the life was becoming a disaster until when she received $477 from this relief. So having said all this, I encourage you, wherever you are, you can access free money from rich people and free money from good-hearted people who want to touch your hand. Remember, they say giving cash is a life-changing and respective, and it is proven that it can change someone's life. So if you want to get money right now, or you want your community or someone out there in your community to get money, grab on this opportunity. Go to your browser and put in GiveDirectly.com and follow the prompts like the one I've told you. Learn more about it and start helping your people and start earning a living. Thank you very much. This has been great being with you. Don't forget, poverty is a bastard, but whenever you get a chance to run out of poverty, you run out of poverty. This has been Christine. I love you all.